Good evening, children. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. Today we are going to continue our English handwriting book. Yes? Okay, now today open the page number 8. Page number 8. Write today's date. Today's date is 24/7/20. Now we are going to start writing the letter O. Keep your pencil in the first line. Keep your pencil in the first line. Now we are going to start writing right open curve till third line. Right open curve till third line. And again go up. Touch the first line. Touch the first line. And again take a small bend. Come down in between the two lines. First and second line. Again take a bend. Go up. Touch the first line and stop. This is capital cursive. Oh, this is capital cursive. Shall we write the next letter? It's capital cursive P. Start from the first line. Come down as the standing line. Touch the third line. Again take a curve. Go back again. Go to the top. Touch the first line. Again take a curve. It's left open curve. And touch the first standing line what you have drawn at the first. So it becomes capital cursive P. Capital cursive P. Next, go to capital cursive Q. It's very easy. So start from the first line. Take a curve, touch the third line and again go up. Touch the first line. See here you should touch always the first line till third line. You should not go to the fourth line. After writing O, you should from down, you should take a curve. You should take a curve. This is Q. Next, going to R. Start from the first line, standing line. Again, go back like P. You have to write like this till P. And after that, you have to come back as a slanting line. And again, go up. You should not touch the second line. Stop in between second line and the third line. This is capital cursive R. Next, we will go for S. Letter S. See here children, you should be more conscious in writing S. Okay, start from the third line. You will not start from the first line. You have to start from the third line. Slanting up. And again take a small bend curve. And again touch the third line. Go back as a curve. Again touch the second line. And again a small curve. Stop. This is capital cursive S. Again, now we are going for the letter T. Start from little bit down to the first line. Go up. Take a small bend. Again come down till the third line and take a curve. This is capital cursive T. Now coming to the next letter U. Start in between the first line and the second line. Go up, take a curve, bend down. Again, touch the third line. Again, go up. Touch the first line. Again, come back to the third line. Touch the third line. Again, go up. Stop in between the second and the third line. You should stop in between the second and the third line. Again, coming to the next letter V. Start little bit down from the first line. Go up. Take a small bend curve. Again, come down as the standing line. Again, take a curve. Go up. Touch the first line as a slanting line and a small bend. This is capital cursive V. Again, next comes to the capital cursive W. Same way, you have to start little bit down to the first line. Again, small bend, come down, touch the third line, slanting up, again standing down, again slanting up, a small curve, W, capital cursive W. Next, coming to the letter X. Start in between the first line and the second line, take a curve. See here, I am writing the left open curve till this, touch the third line, again go back up as a slanting line. Again come back and touch the curve back, and again come back to the second and third line. You should stop here. Next, Y. Next is letter S, Y. Start from here, little bit above the second line. Go up, touch the first line. Come down, touch the third line. Again go up, touch the first line. Come down, touch the last line. See here, now you are going to touch the start line, last line, and again we are going up. Okay, stop here. This is Y. Next, coming to the last letter Z. Okay, start little bit down to the first line, go up, take a curve, small bend, again touch the first line, again take a bend, slanting, touch the third line, go up, small bend, again come down, up till the middle of the second and third line. After that, in between this first and third line, second line, you should draw a small curve. This is Z. Okay children, now you have to finish rest of all the three lines, and you have to complete this page number 8 fully. Thank you children. See you next week. Bye.